Welcome back to Flintshire Connect Centres. All centres are open with measures in place to ensure a safe visit. When you enter, there will be a QR code for you to scan, or we will take your name and contact details. Hand sanitizer is available for you to use as you enter the centre. Cleaning of touching points and surfaces done after each visit with antibacterial spray. We are operating a one-way system, so please follow the yellow arrow markings on the floor. Our self-service kiosks are available to use for payments and have been fitted with PPE and sanitizer is available. All desks have been fitted with protective screens. Queue management is in place, with space markings on the floor reminding you to keep a distance of 2 meters from others. Face coverings are to be worn at all times and masks are available if you need one. We are still limiting the number of people in a centre at any one time, monitored by an advisor. You may be asked to queue outside. We have Connect Team Bubbles to reduce the number of people you have contact with. Where possible, we are promoting the use of online services. Did you know a lot of services can be done online now? Ask us for more details. Thank you.